Everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews, and check out this record player by One by One. One of my favorite companies when it comes to record players, and it's because they make them look so appealing. You're gonna want this in your space when you have company come over because it's gonna be one of those eye-catching pieces that everyone's like, oh, you have a vintage record player, and it's not. This thing is modern, but it has that retro look, and it's because the quality that is on this is remarkable. You have these nice rounded corners, this wood finish here. This thing looks and sounds amazing. One by One puts a lot of work into their record players. It's easy to use, so if you're new into getting into playing records or vinyls, they make it simple to use. It's user-friendly, the instructions are great. You do have a couple of buttons here, whether you're gonna play 35 or a 45 RPM, or that's the speed for the records. And then you also have a volume control and your start and stop. Not only does this play records, but it also has Bluetooth capabilities. So you can be streaming your favorite music from either your device, whether it's your phone, computer, or any device that's Bluetooth enabled, an MP3 player, you can play it through here. And this right here, this is where the speakers are. This here sounds amazing. The quality is crisp and clear when playing those vinyls. Let's go ahead and give you a quick demo. In order to play this, there is going to be this little latch to keep the arm in place. You can lift that latch up. You can then move your arm over to the record, right? And you do have a counterweight, right, to keep that balance on the arm perfect, and just little movements can get it just right. But when we're ready to turn this record player on, you just hit the start button in once quickly. The record will start playing, and then we can lower our arm down with this lever. If I see you, and there you go, we can control the volume, and then we can turn it off. Easy as that. Sounds amazing, looks amazing. You have a dust-proof lid as well, which is clear, which you can see that record still in there. You can see all the components. You do have aux in. So you have aux in, and then you can also hook up additional speakers to it if you wanted. So this thing is going to give you all the music options and ways you want to play music built right into this unit. Can't recommend this enough. If you're looking for a retro looking style record player to be that centerpiece in your living room, definitely check out this one from One by One. I highly recommend it.